In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a sub-account in Twilio, helping you streamline your projects and keep your account organized. Make sure to subscribe for more Twilio tips. First, log into your main Twilio account at consoletwilio.com. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the admin section in the left menu and select Account Management, then Subaccounts. Here you'll see a list of all your sub-accounts. Click on the one you want to delete to open its dashboard. Scroll down to the Close Account button at the bottom of the page. Double check that you've selected the correct sub-account. Then click Close Account. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Review the details carefully and click Confirm. That's it. Your sub-account is now deleted. Keeping your Twilio environment tidy ensures smoother operations and easier management of your communication workflows.